This video is about digital marketing and traditional marketing and how they differ from each other. Let us take a look at digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to advertisement delivered through digital channels such as search engines, websites, social media, emails, and mobile phone apps. Using these online media channels, digital marketing is the method by which companies endorse goods, services, and brands. Consumers heavily rely on digital means to research products. For example, think with Google Marketing Insights. They found 48% of consumers start their inquiries on search engines, while 33% look to brand websites and 26% within mobile applications. While modern day digital marketing is an enormous system of channels to which marketers simply must onboard their brands, advertising online is much more complex than the channels alone. In order to achieve the true potential of digital marketing, marketers have to dig deep into today's vast and intricate cross-channel world to discover strategies that make an impact through engagement marketing. Engagement marketing is the method of forming meaningful interactions with potential and returning customers based on the data you collect over time. By engaging customers in a digital landscape, you build brand awareness, set yourself an industry thought leader, and place your business at the forefront when the customer is ready to buy. By implementing an omni-channel digital marketing strategy, marketers can collect valuable insights into target audience, behavior, while opening the door to new methods of customer engagement. Additionally, companies can expect to see an increase in retention. According to the report by Invesp, companies with strong omnichannel customer engagement retain an average of 89% of their customers compared to companies with weak omnichannel programs that have a retention rate just of 33%. As for the future of digital marketing, we can expect to see a continued increase in the variety of wearable devices available by consumers. Forbes also forecasts that social media will become increasingly conversational in the B2B space. Video content will be refined for search engine optimization, and email marketing will become even more personalized. Now, let us take a look at traditional marketing. Traditional marketing is a rather broad category that incorporates many forms of advertising and marketing. It's the most recognizable type of marketing, encompassing the advertisements that we see and hear every day. Most traditional marketing strategies fall under one of four categories: print, broadcast, direct mail, and telephone. Print marketing is the oldest form of traditional marketing, loosely defined as advertising in paper form, when Egyptians created sales messages and wall posters on papyrus. Today, printing marketing usually refers to advertising space in newspapers, magazines, newsletters, and other printed material intended for distribution. Broadcast marketing includes television and radio advertisements. Radio broadcasts have been around since the 19th century, and the first commercial broadcast aired on November 2nd, 1920. Television, the next step in entertainment technology, was quicker to adopt advertisement, with less than 10 years between its inception and the first television commercial in 1941. Direct mail marketing uses printed material like postcards, brochures, letters, catalogs, and flyers sent through post mails to attract consumers. One of the earliest and most well-known examples of direct mail is the Sears catalog, which was first mailed to consumers in 1888. The telephone marketing or telemarketing is a practice of delivering sales messages over the phone to convince consumers to buy a product or service. This form of marketing has become somewhat controversial in the modern sales tactics. The US federal government has passed strict laws governing the use of telemarketing to combat some of these techniques. The strategies for developing a traditional marketing plan vary widely according to the form of advertising used and the type of business. In some companies, particularly small businesses, the entire staff will contribute to planning and execution. Larger companies often have marketing departments dedicated to creating advertising campaigns that use traditional marketing. The first step in developing a plan is to choose print, broadcasting, direct mail, or telemarketing. This choice depends on the budget and the marketing message conveyed. For example, a store that announcing a sale will use more immediate impact strategies like broadcasting or print, while a business launching a general awareness campaign might choose direct mail, which stays in consumers' hands for a longer period of time. For print and broadcast marketing, the business must arrange to purchase advertising space. The time of this step depends on the lead time or how far in advance the advertising space must be purchased. Some print media, such as wide circulation magazines, have lead times of several weeks. For example, as advertisement in Sports Illustrated magazines must be reserved at least 5 weeks in advance or longer for premium placement. Other markets have shorter times, with some newspapers allowing next day ad placements. Radio ads may be either produced or pre-recorded, or scripted or read by on-air personalities. Finally, television commercial can either be written by a marketing department and produced in-house or contracted out to production companies.